Hello everyone, my name is Oliver and today I want to show you our TDFC log former. I will show you how to operate this machine and after that we will run some tests as well. Without any further ado, let's jump right in. First of all, let me give you some information about this machine. Our TDFC log former is capable of producing two different profiles, which include TDF flange on this side and TDF cleat on the other side. The main motor of this machine is 3-phase 220 volts. It's equipped with a variable frequency drive, which also allows you to operate this machine on 1-phase 220 volts, which we're doing today. For the TDF flange, we're going to be using galvanized steel, 18 gauge. The gauge capacity of this machine is 18 to 26 gauge for TDF flange and 22 gauge for the TDF cleat. So now let's start the machine. You're going to be using this switch on to turn on the machine. Wait a couple of seconds until something shows up on the screen. Most of the time you're going to be using this button for operation. It's forward continuous. When you press this button once, the machine starts working. After that you can press stop. With this leveler here, you can change the speed of operation of the machine. Here we have forward jog and backward jog. As long as you're pressing on this button, the machine is going to work forward. Here it's the same but backward. We also have an emergency stop button here in case of emergency. It stops the machine right away. So now we will use 18 gauge galvanized steel to produce TDF flange. So now we are on the other side of the machine and we are going to produce TDF cleat using 22 gauge galvanized steel here. Please note that the first roller that we have on this side is actually a blade that will cut off all the excess metal, leaving a 2.5-inch stripe right here. On the feeding table we also have two limiters on each side, which can be adjusted by these two bolts and these two bolts as well. So here are the results of our tests. We got two TDF flanges here, as well as the TDF cleat here. Also, just for your convenience, this machine is equipped with 4 wheels. That's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about this or any other machines, please visit our website at stangroup.ca. And I'll see you in the next video.